Hey, thanks for coming back with us and watching some more. I'm going to show you real quick how to remove a pin. We're going to pull the camera down here somewhere where it can actually be seen and used. So right in here, there's a little pin. This is a JST connector. Molex and a few others work like this. Right inside of here is this little pin. Come on, camera. You can do it. Maybe not. Regardless, what we're going to do is right inside of this little channel, you're going to push down, straight down, and then this pin should just kind of slide out. It'd be easier as if this was actually connected, but that's how you do it. Go ahead and see if we can get it slide out here. It's a bad pin. I had a bad connection, so I don't mind. Not saving it. And here it comes. You can see it's just sticking out right out of the end there. And we're done. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.